And Happy New Year! It's 2021. It's all the Storybots are dancing.
Oh yeah.
Look at that guy. And this one says, and also this purple guy is standing here. I'm super simple. Isn't that funny? They're all dancing. Rolly's sleeping. Duggee, Toca life. Oh, here's Zeke. Hello. And the ghost is chasing the chicken. It's the goat kids. Halloween's over. That's funny. Poop. Oh, that looks like a wolf. Let's see my profile. Here it is. Skystar roars. The floor is lava. And Llama saying McDonald's. And it said Llama time. And aww. Because the unicorn loves the plushie. It's so cute. And then the jelly llama's falling. Oh. It's okay. Oh, Erie's in the winter. And normal jelly llamas balancing. Oh. And I'm craving kitty. So cute. And the kids in the basement, they're right now dancing with Charlie. And also Windows XP. With the dancing sheep, the goat, the flossing sheep, and the alpaca. And Twilight screaming with ocean talking mushrooms. Ah! And McDonald's commercial. It looks like measure ruler, and it spins. It turns around. And ready. Large fries, nuggets, kids meal, chocolate milk, freedom, justice, large meal, that's McDonald's. That's cute. And the Jammerz dancing in the assembly in school. They're reacting to the people dancing. And hope you guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.